equal to pi. This minus and minus becomes plus. So gamma 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2 means gamma 1 by 2 square is equal to pi. This gives gamma of 1 by 2 is equal to under root of pi. Correct. So there I prove how to solve gamma 1 by 2 equal to under root of pi. Next, so we can go further. We have to solve some problems. Very simple problems. If we have gamma of minus 5 by 2 question, then in this case I tell you, I give you the one formula, gamma of gamma n is equal to gamma of n plus 1 upon n. So n is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this gives minus of 5 by 2 plus 1 upon minus of 5 by 2. It means minus 2 by 5. This gives minus of 3 by 2. Minus gamma of minus 3 by 2. We again rewrite minus 2 by 5. Minus 3 by 2 is again minus of 2 by 3 minus and gamma of minus 3 by 2 plus 1 means minus of 1 by 2. Again it gives minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 3 minus of 2 by 1 and gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So our answer becomes minus of 8 by 15 root of pi. Very simple example how to solve gamma negative function. Next we go for some integrals. How we solve the integrals with the help of this gamma function. Just you remember the formula of gamma integral, then you compare that integral and just convert this. For example, very simple one, if we have integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x cube dx. What is your gamma function? You remember, otherwise you write, keep in one side gamma of n is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. This is in your memory. So what you can do, this have no power. So you just put x cube equal to t or anything. So if we put x cube is equal to t, it means x gives t to the power 1 by 3. Then dx is equal to 1 by 3 t to the power minus 2 by 3 d of t. When we substitute this here, see our integrals become, I substitute here, limit also when x going to 0, t is 0, x going to infinity, t is also infinity. So limit is same, x e to the power x cube means e to the power minus of t. Then dx is what? 1 by 3 t to the power minus of 2 by 3 dt. Now you compare x to the power e to the power x to the power n minus 1 means what is our n? How you find? You just put n minus 1 is equal to minus of 2 by 3. So n is minus 2 by 3 plus of 1. What it gives? 3 minus 1 by 3. So at this place we can write, or we can say we rewrite n minus 1. n is 1 by, means 1 by 3 minus 1. So we rewrite it again, 1 by 3, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 dt. See, 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus of 2 by 3. Hence, it is gamma function. So it gives the value of our gamma. It gives 1 by 3 gamma of n. n is 1 by 3. Gamma of 1 by 3. Okay. So how we solve the integral with the help of gamma function? Similarly, one more example. If we have 0 to infinity e to the power minus of root x to the power 1 by 4 dx, say put root x equal to t. Yes, substitute root x equal to t and then compare, and you will find definitely the result. Next, one more question regarding the gamma function. If we have 0 to infinity x square plus 4 e to the power minus 2x square dx. Clear? So what we can do, just substitute 2x square equal to t. If 2x square to find out the dt and the limits and substitute here, it will be becoming in gamma function. Similarly, one more question. If you have 0 to infinity x to the power n a e to the power minus root of ax dx. Just substitute my root of ax is equal to t. This integrals convert into the gamma integral. So what you have to remember? You remind the formula of gamma and 0 to infinity e to the power minus x. Means exponential, power of exponential in terms of x only. If there is anything, you substitute in terms of x, or we can say we substitute in terms of t, your integral reduce or becoming in gamma function. One more question I will solve for you completely, then you better understand how to solve. Some more tips how to convert. If you have logarithmic function, then you put log x equal to t. Similarly, if given function 0 to 1 dx upon x log of 1 by x. So here you put log 1 by x equal to t. If log 1 by x equal to t, it means 1 by x is equal to e to the power t, or x is equal to e to the power minus of t. See, when you substitute x is equal to e to the power minus t here, your integrals is convert into gamma integral. When you find the value of 0 and 1, then it will also goes to 0 to infinity. Definitely you don't forget the finding the limits also when you substitute. So in logarithmic function, always if no exponential function here, then you put logarithmic of function in any terms t and then take antilog, you will have exponential function and your integrals convert into gamma. Similarly, if you have one more example, 0 to infinity x to the power a to the power x dx. Here also you put a to the power x equal to t. If a to the power x is equal to e to the power t, then take antilog. So x log of a is equal to t, x is equal to t upon log a, where a is constant, it gives dx is equal to dt upon log of a. Substitute this here, your integral becomes convert into gamma integral. Definitely. Now I will solve you one complete example for gamma function. Then I think my video will help you to understand the gamma function. So we go for last example. Question is, if 0 to infinity x e to the power minus x square dx multiply with 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx upon root of x. Say you put x square equal to t. Very good. X square is equal to t means x is equal to t to the power 1 by 2 dx is equal to 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt. Clear? Substitute in both integrals. So our integrals limit also when 0, t is 0, infinity, t is infinity. So 0 to infinity root x means x to the power 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 means t to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So t to the power 1 by 4. Very good. T to the power 1 by 4. E to the power minus t. Dx is 1 by 2. T to the power minus 1 by 2. Dt. Similarly, second integral e to the power minus t. X to the power minus of 1 by 2. And here if you put, so t to the power minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt. Replace your integral x in terms of t. When we substitute, just simplify. It becomes 0 to infinity. Taking 1 by 2 outside, e to the power minus t, t to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by minus of 1 by 4. So it is t to the power minus of 1 by 4 dt. Yes? So minus 1 by 4 we can write 3 by 4 minus 1. Means this minus 1 by 4, again compare n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4, then n is equal to 3 by 4. So same, I just write here 3 by 4 minus of 1. Similarly, our second integral, again 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, e to the power minus t, t to the power, now minus of minus plus minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus of 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 minus 1. This term gives minus 3 by 4. Now it is our gamma function e to the power x, e to the power x, n minus 1 dt. So it gives the value of the given integral is 1 by 2 gamma of n is 3 by 4. This integral gives 1 by 2 gamma of n means 1 by 4. So this gives 1 by 4. Gamma of 3 by 4 we can write like 1 minus 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. You remember, memorize, I will discuss in the property 1 formula, gamma of n, gamma of 1 minus n is equal to pi upon sine of n pi. Clear? So we use that formula here. So it gives 1 by 4, this is pi upon sine n. N is 1 by 4 means pi by 4. Okay, sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Clear? So we can write 1 by 4 into pi 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. So it gives pi upon, when we cancel out, 4 is 2 into 2. 2 is root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 cancel. So it gives pi 2 root 2. Hence our solution of given gamma function or given integral is pi upon 2 root 2. It means with the help of this gamma function we can solve these integrals very easily in very short and finding out the value of that gamma, that